020, cleared I-4 to London Gatwick via the Don. Hey, from just give me a second. Gonna look at these SIDS. Hey, from thank you. And Azul 4422, are you in frequency?
Yes.
Thank you for that. Qatari 343. Qatari 343, are you in frequency? Okay, I can mark down that as a rogue just quite yet. Cathay 5113, are you in frequency?
Yes, but we're plane spotting, so we're using the gate as kind of like a effect.
Hey, from no worries. And Emirates 8020, you already requested for IFRs. You're good. All right, thank you. And I'm just gonna wait for this Qatari to respond.
Cargo Jet 1230 requesting IFR clearance.
And Cargo Jet 1230 cleared I-4 to Gatwick via the Phoenix to Charlie departure of Phoenix transition. Expect 050010 minutes after departure. Cruising is sorry about that. Departure is with me 1219 or altimeter 299 or 2. Expect 21 right for departure. Squawk is 2616. Read back when able.
2616 Cargo Jet 1230.
And readback is correct. Advise push and start Romeo.
Cargo Jet 1230 requesting pushback and start.
And Cargo Jet 1230 cleared push and start Romeo. Tail left.
Tail to the left.
This is Emirates 8020. Our SID's mandatory.
Emirates 8020 second.
Our SID's mandatory.
A-firm SIDs are mandatory unless you're a small airplane you're flying VFR circuits. Or pattern work.
Just to confirm, what runways are in use?
A-firm, sorry, I gotta change it in my, I'm gonna add a SID momentarily, but A-firm 21 right is the current arrival runway.
All right, thanks.
Actually, hang on. Just give me a sec. Hang on, I gotta talk to Tower.
Sure.
1 second.
Arg. Dear God, I've never done a SID before.
It'll be fine.
Just like
You pretty much follow all the waypoints. That's it.
All right, I'm going to be posting the new ATIS momentarily, but go on. Sorry about that. I was AFK just talking to Tower.
Gran Canaria. Okay, hang on. Cargo Jet 1230 requesting taxi to runway 21 left.
And Cargo Jet 1230 taxi via Romeo 11, Fox Short Romeo 7, Romeo 8, Romeo 9 left, hold short 2 and right.
Taxi via Romeo 11, Foxtrot Romeo 7, Romeo 8, Romeo 9 left, hold short runway 21 right.
This is Emirates 8020. What was our SID again? Sorry about that.
Emirates 8020, A firm. Kind of forgot your SID. I'm going to give you a new one. 2611.
Cargo jet 1230, holding short, runway 21 right.
This is way less dead than the
Cargo.
other jets.
Stand by 1 second. Cargo jet 1230, contact tower. Believe 1, 2. Sorry about that. Hang on. Did he go all fine?
Yeah, you remind me as a YouTuber. I don't know.
No, I'm not a YouTuber. I wish though. Just give me a second. Anybody see Tower on public ATC?
Tower, yeah, tower's gone.
Yeah, that was so fun.
Okay, I'm gonna be assuming Tower then as well.
Azul 223 Alpha Mike, requesting a frequency to get I guess what?
Zul 223 Alpha Mike, first in line for IFR, please stand by. Just changing my ATC real.
Hold up, guys. I'm gonna play some butter music.
Do
Butter.
not.
But Swister Zero.
It was me, cargo jet 1230.
All right, cargo jet 1230 cleared I-4 to Gatwick via the Phoenix to Charlie departure Phoenix transition. Expect 21 right for departure. Cruising is going to be 050. Expect a 050010 minutes after departure. Departures with me, 1219er. Altimeter is 2992. Your squawk is 2616.
Who wants me to play
Oh,
some
God.
butter music, please?
My bad.
Yeah, bet.
Yeah, that was not me. That was my bad.
Oh, hey, did I already clear your fry for?
Yeah, I did. I'm holding short.
Okay, then who was first in line for I-4? Oh, was that just cargo jet? Just thinking, mistakenly asking for I-4?
Sorry to interrupt. Is this like ground, or is there any like actual tower?
Oh, negative. Sorry about that. I'll change it. I'll change it to tower. Sorry, tower just went offline, so I'll change it.
Oh, Roger that. This is Singapore 1207. I'm going to you guys right now. Let me know when I'm in the radar.
Singapore 1207 from not in my airspace yet. We'll notify you. Do you currently have the information on board?
Yes, I do. Singapore 1207. 1207.
Affirm. If you could state it, that'd be wonderful.
Roger that. Let me
This is Emirates 8020. Could you remind me what stage you gave us again?
Emirates 8020 affirm. I believe I gave you the Phoenix to Charlie departure.
I can't really find that on the chart.
Okay, so go to ATC charts, then scroll down to Gran Canaria 2, 1, and 2 right departures, and it should be via Luca, Wizard, and Phoenix. It should be highlighted in gray, Phoenix 2 Charlie. And cargo jet 1230. Sorry for the delay. Did you call for taxi? Did you call for taxi? Cargo jet 1230.
I'm requesting to line up and possibly take off.
Oh, affirm. Sorry about that. Cargo jet 1230. Just give me a second. All right, affirm. Runway 21 right. Clear for takeoff. Depart via the SIDS one's come.
Copy that. Clear for takeoff. Runway 21 right.
Tower, I have a question.
Go.
It looks really busy. Do you mind if I'm ground? Or if you got this, that's fine.
I got this for now. I'll keep you in reference though. Yep,
All right, thank you.
I need any help. Yeah, no worries. And Singapore 1207 radar contact. What are your intentions?
Our intention is to land on Gran Canaria. Singapore 1.
Affirm and I'm sorry about that. Singapore 1207 and affirm. Will you be taking vectors or the star arrival for Gran Canaria?
I'm requesting vectors actually.
All right, and Singapore 1207 affirm. Just maintain that heading. Send maintain 2,000 speeds, no more than 220 knots. Please.
Wait, could you repeat that actually? Sorry, couldn't hear you.
Affirm, no worries. Just maintain that heading. Descend and maintain 2,000 speeds, no more than 200 knots for me, please, sir.
No more than 200 knots and descending to 2,000 feet.
Affirm. Sorry, just maintain that heading, and I'll give you your vectors once able.
Roger that.
This is Emirates 8020. We got ducks in a row. We're ready for startup and pushback.
And Emirates 8020, affirm, Romeo 12, cleared push and start tail left.
Tail left, Emirates 8020.
Cargo jet 1230, we are in the air.
Cargo jet 1230, affirm, Gran Canaria departure. Continue departing via these SIDS, climb to cruising. Jet 1230, affirm, I believe I gave you Phoenix to Charlie for Gatwick.
Copy that, Phoenix 2 Charlie.
And Singapore 1207, affirm, just contact when you have the field in sight.
We do have the field in sight right now, the runway.
All right, and Singapore 1207, currently first in line for arrival, runway 21 right, cleared for the visual approach, runway 21 right, contact on the short final, runway 21 right.
Roger that, Singapore 1207, clear for visual approach, will contact when on final.
And just ignore the Tom jet on the runway, he's a rogue.
Oh, roger that.
Cargo jet 1230, we have made it to our initial flight level.
Cargo jet 1230, continue climbing via the SIDS. Affirm, don't believe there's a 9 right, just hold short 9 left.
Singapore 1207, clear to land, we're on final right now.
Affirm, Singapore 1207, runway 21 right, clear to land.
Roger that.
And Singapore 1207, if you could contact me just a bit before.
Yeah, you guys were talking, so I just had to wait.
Affirm, no worries, you're good.
Either this is a butter or a bad landing.
Looking at it right now, oh god.
Yeah, that's up.
Yeah, that's flat.
Singapore.
Zulu 6, if possible.
Roger that.
Yeah, just vacate via Zulu 6 and a contact when ready for taxi. Welcome to Gran Canaria.
Okay.
Cargo jet 1230, we have made it to our cruising altitude.
And cargo jet 1230, affirm, continue departing via the SIDS. Actually, just proceed with the nav. Exiting my airspace monitor, Unicom 122.8. Radar services are terminated. Have a great day. See ya. Great flight.
Copy that.
Is this your first A350 of the day? ATC or?
I think so, yeah.
Whoever's plane spotting here, you should take that on camera. Trust.
Yeah, they did.
I already did.
Oh, so there's 2 plane spotters.
Wait, are you the plane spotter from Catilla?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, you might want to go check out public ATC 2 chat. It's you got 2 pictures for you there.
This is Singapore 1207. I kind of went overboard, but we vacated on Romeo 2 right now.
Affirm, no worries. Taxi, do you have any gate preference?
No, I do not.
All right, then taxi via Romeo 2, Romeo 3, Romeo 4, left on Echo, Romeo 11, 12, or 13, any gate on your left.
So Romeo 2, Romeo 3, Romeo 4, Echo, Romeo 11, Romeo 12, and Romeo 13, and the gate on the left, right?
Affirm.
Roger that, Singapore 1207.
This is Emirates 8020, holding 21 right.
Emirates 8020, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff, winds calm, depart via the SIDS.
Clear for takeoff, Emirates 8020.
So slow.
Sorry about that. I accidentally left the voice chat.
This is Singapore 1207. As soon as I get the gate, I'm going offline.
Hey, firm. All right, see you. Have a great day.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
And unfortunately, I was gonna actually stay on for a lot longer, but something just came up, and I'm gonna be going offline in about 15 minutes. Yeah, sorry about that. So just yeah, next transmission if possible. Just 15 minutes. I'll be going offline. If anyone wants to take over, they can get prepared and just change their name tag and join the traffic controller if they want.
Want to be ATC, but I haven't been in a hot minute, so.
Gotcha. No worries.